guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Charlene and welcome. And today I actually got a parcel. So I signed up to Glossybox and I wanted to sign up for quite a while actually. So Glossybox, how you can subscribe is there's either a 1 month rolling subscription or there's a 12-month subscription. Now the prices have gone up a little bit, but the only reason that is because you no longer pay for postage. So if you want to do a 1 month rolling subscription, it's $13.25. So the 12-month subscription is much cheaper. The 12-month subscription is $11.75 a month, and it's really good. You can either do pay monthly or you can do upfront. So if you don't like the pay monthly options, you can do 3 months for £38. So you just pay £38.25 and that will get you 3 months worth of Glossybox. Or you can do the 6 month, which is £69, which gives you 6 months worth of Glossybox. Or you can do the 12-month one, which is on here the best value, including delivery, is £132. That's it. So you only have to pay £132. That comes out your bank, and then you get Glossybox every month. I do the pay monthly one just because I find it a little bit easier on me, and it's just so much easier. If you would like to subscribe today to get your September box for £11, just using the code SPARTIME. So that looks to me that you're going to get, you're going to get some SPAR in this one. So the benefits of a subscriber is glossy credits. So basically you earn glossy credits by answering surveys and basically I think it's when you do like reviews on products and everything, and if you refer a friend you can get £10. Glossy Lounge is basically sent straight to your inbox from amazing brands. Join Glossy Beauty Board with exclusive access to free samples and testing products. Limited edition, where you get priority access on discounts and our famous limited edition and advent calendar, which I've actually pre-ordered the advent calendar. So go pre-order that really, because I know that this one's going to get sold out really fast. And if you want to shop for stuff, you can get 20% off Glossybox skincare. And that is basic Glossybox. So I've heard of it and I've wanted to sign up. So I've actually got, hiding my thing, I've actually got my Glossybox right here. So let's unbox it together. This is the September edition. If you want me to do these monthly, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll do them monthly with you. So let's open it together. Hopefully, oh, there's a little tab here. We're in. So, oh, that's kind of sweet. So this comes in, so I'm going to get out the box because it comes in a little parcel. Oh, I like the parcel. The parcel's very good. It just says Glossybox. It's gorgeous. Oh, you get some leaflets in here. You get like some grey, so some grey things. And then you get some 20% off for that. And then if you're a contact lens wearer, it comes with this as well. Is there something missing from your handbag, see? Glossybox. Phone needs to go silent. Sorry, it's my anniversary, so people are thinking. So yeah, I'm getting notifications because everyone's saying happy anniversary, and I'm like, oh, thank you. So yes, I have my makeup on, but I don't care. So this is a Glossybox. Oh my god, it's lovely packaging. It's in this baby pink packaging, just with Glossybox on the front. I think this is cute. So let's open it now. I'm just going to be right in front of me. Oh, the inside looks so cute. It's like baby pink plus black. It's not pink. I think it's just like a baby pink, like soft pink. Oh, but this is cute. So there we go. We've got the seal. So let's open this up. I do like it. It's very nicely packaged. It's got a sticker there. So let's open this up. Right. Wow. Oh my good grief. I'm looking at the contents and it looks really, really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to thingy the things for you and then check how much they are in other things. So first of all, I can see it's a Lindor. I'm not going to be having this. This is going to be for my husband. I am vegan, vegetarian, I'm vegetarian but vegan. I could eat this if I want to. I probably will actually share this with my husband. But if I don't eat it, my husband will have it. So you get a nice Lindor. Then we've got some Advent. I know this stuff is expensive. Advent is so expensive. This is worth like £89. This is some bougie stuff. £89 for this. Okay, that is expensive. So this is what it is like. If it's gonna focus, there we go. So this is the second product that I've brought up. This is expensive. I believe this is the full meal one. This is 50 mil. So yeah, this is full meal. I'm gonna actually smell it, see if there has a scent. Okay, so it's like a creamy consistency. It is a creamy consistency. It has a little bit of a scent, but it's more like a spa scent. But it's so light. It smells really light. Yes, just smells really light, but that feels really good and moisturising. So this is good because it has hyaluronic acid in it, has vitamin C, and it has jojoba oil. This feels really, really good. Apply in the morning and evening after cleansing and applying your serum. Carry a patch test 24 hours before the first use. So I've got a little patch test. Then we have some. This is Hyaluronic smooth skin therapy. So all of this stuff is like spa worthy. So it says all types of suitable all types of skin. Apply this to non-greasy multi-purposes balm for troublesome areas and gently massage until the balm is completely absorbed. For extreme dry areas, apply a thick layer. Also, you can actually sleep in this as well. Is at least so if you've got any dry patches, just put some of this on and that'd be fine. I'm going to do a little bit of sniff test as well and see if that has smell, because I know some people, oh God, some people are very sensitive to smell. I know I am. I'm very sensitive on my face to smell. I don't like anything too thingy. So I'm just going to put a little bit out. That's a big thing. Okay, so I've got a little bit. I'm just going to apply it to my hand. Okay, this does smell. This is a stronger smell than the Advanced Moisturiser, but it's really good, and you moisturise it in, and it does feel balmy. It doesn't feel creamy. It feels like a balm, so that's good. Then we've got the Wish. Oh, this is what we've got next. This is created by Huda Beauty's company. I've wanted to try this for ages. I wanted to get a sample of it from Cult Beauty. Now I don't have to. The sample on Cult Beauty was about £18. If you get the full size, I believe it's in the price range of 30 to 40s. This looks really good. So this is basically a scrub for your face. So I've seen Makeup by Jack use this in his recent video. I believe it's a recent video where he pampers himself for where he goes for like to do work and everything. So this, you use this on dry skin and you basically put it into your skin and then you rub it in, and then all your dead skin, you can see all your dead skin come off. I can't wait to use this. So if you want me to try this on my channel, please let me know. But oh my good grief, this looks so cute. Hopefully it's not too strong. Okay, it doesn't smell that bad. I don't think it's too strong. I'm not going to put anything out, but it's pineapple, papaya, and AHA and BHA. I might go red with this because it's scrub. Then we have a coffee scrub, exfoliating coffee scrub. Oh my god, this is going to be so good. And so we've got a coffee scrub. I cannot wait to use this. Is Let's Get Smooth. Dip into it and wake up your skin. An exfoliator for softer, smoother, more luxurious skin. Gently smooth away skin imperfections and improve the overall appearance of your skin over time by adding this coffee scrub to regular shower routine. Open pat, scrub with love and rinse with when smooth. You hop into the shower. I might use this in the bath to give this a go in the bath because I don't have a shower, but I'm actually excited for this coffee scrub. Then I believe, is this the last product? Yeah, so it comes with so much stuff. So this is the last product in here. Well, I believe with this, I believe they might be doing different fragrances. So this one, I've never used this. This is an Imperial Leather. I never use this. So this is a Foam Burst Ultimate Moisturizer. So how do you use this? Directions: point from a small amount into your palm of the hand, spot of the body, and rinse. Right, so this is basically what you use in the bath, and it's a 3-day long-lasting moisturizer. Golden amber and coconut oil. Oh, it smells like coconut. I can literally smell the coconut in this. That smells divine. It's whipped cream body wash. I cannot wait to use this. So in the Glossybox for September, you get a whole load of skin pampering stuff for Glossybox. So if you want to pamper yourself, you can use this. I've already had a bath today, but I'm going to have a bath probably tomorrow, so I can use some of this stuff. If you want me to do like a spa routine for you, I would do that for you. These are so cute. Oh my good grief. I love the packaging. It comes in perfect packaging, and it's beautiful. You can just pop it on. I have found a Glossybox thing on my thing, so it tells you how much everything is. So the coffee, so what I'm going to do is tell you how much everything is now, because I can find it now. So this coffee scrub, the deluxe mini, which is 30 grams, which I have, is actually worth £11. This is worth £11. The scrub is worth £11. If you want the full size, it's worth £18. Okay, so that's the full size, worth £18. The foam burst, this is, I think this is the mini one. Yeah, this is the mini one. This is worth £2. The full size is worth £3. So I can try this out. If I like it, I can buy it myself. And they do send out 2 different flavours. So the flavour I've got, the scent, they do send to, so the scent I've got is coconut oil and golden amber. The other one that they actually will send out, if you get the other one, is lychee and lotus flower. But I do prefer the coconut because I love coconut. Right, the Avent. This is the full size product. I was right. It is worth £89. £89 this moisturiser is worth. I haven't tried anything from this brand yet, so I'm going to try it. They are cruelty free though, but it's £89 for a moisturiser. I normally spend between, I'd say about between 10 to 20, 30 quid. I wouldn't spend £89 on a moisturiser. If I like this, I will not be happy because I don't want to spend £89 on a moisturiser. Hopefully I don't like this, but if I do, I won't be happy. But this is full size. The other thing that I got, which some people will get, some people won't, is the Intensive Skin Therapy. This is worth £15 and it is full size. We have 2 full size products in here. So the full size products we do get are these 2. If you are into this Glossybox and you get these 2. These are the full size products. Full size, 15 quid for this. Next, it is the Wishful thing. Okay, so we've got the deluxe mini. So we got deluxe mini in the coffee scrub and in the foam. This is worth, in deluxe mini, it's worth, okay, it's worth £9. If you get the full size, it is £34. Then we had the Lindor, which is probably around worth about £1. So we have 2 full size products and we have 3 full size products because of the chocolate bar as well, but 3 minis. This box is worth over £100. I'm paying £11.75 just for this. Just for this box, it's £11.75. Over £100 worth of products in this, and I'm only paying £11.75. It is a big saving on how much is in here. A big saver, and I'm so happy that I've signed up to it. I did sign up to it in July, but the August one was sold out, so I couldn't get the August box. I've got the September box. I can't wait to get the October box and the December box. I can't wait to get my advent calendar because if you do buy the advent calendar, if you do pre-order it, they won't take the money out until the 1st of October. Please be aware of that. But yeah, I cannot wait for this. And just to let you know, they will not take your Glossy, if you do get the Glossybox and you do become a subscriber, they won't take out your money until they actually send you the box, if you know what I mean. So they'll take out the money and then they'll send you the box between the 5th and the 12th. But I am excited. I love it so much. So yeah, this is my unboxing on my Glossybox. I am getting I'm getting this every month, so if you want me to do a unboxing every month of Glossybox to see what you get, please let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video, please give the video a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.